Hi, so in this video I will show you the fastest and easiest way to transfer your files from your iPhone to Mac. So let's get started. I have a video here. It's a simple zoom in video which is like around, let's say, 6 seconds, and I want to share this without logging into any iCloud account using my phone or the Mac. So what you need to do is, first of all, try to be on the same Wi-Fi as your MacBook and use the Bluetooth as on. The other thing what you need to make sure is you need to go to settings, you need to search AirDrop, and then you turn it on for everyone for 10 minutes at least. And similar thing what you need to do is on your Mac is you go here to the option of AirDrop, and then you click on AirDrop to turn it on and do it for everyone for some time. Once it's done, what you need to do is you need to go back to your iPhone, go to the video which you want to send. For example, here I have this video. You need to click on this small icon with the arrow up, and then you need to click on AirDrop. What it will show you the MacBook which I have. So click on this one. It will ask you for if you want to receive it and save it where. So you go to accept and you save to downloads, and after that you will see here a bar. Of course it was too small video, so you will see a round bar here, the progress bar, and then it will be that. So that's all. I hope it helped. I told you within under 2 minutes.